Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install AlmaLinux 8.7 on VMware Workstation Pro 17. As I already told you, VMware Workstation Pro 17 supports entire Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Version features. So now I am going to install AlmaLinux 8.7, which is a flavor of Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 operating system. So I have chosen Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 as a flavor. Now I am giving Alma Linux 8.7 as a name to the virtual machine. Next I am providing the local path. Now I am giving hard disk size 40 GB and store it as a single file. Next I am customizing the hardware, allocating 8 GB RAM. So processor I am allocating 4 CPU cores. So ISO image, I already download AlmaLinux 8.7 ISO image file from internet, so I am giving that one. Next, network I am choosing host only adapter, which means I am doing offline installation only. Nothing is downloaded from internet. So this is a purely offline installation. Okay. So that is the benefit of VMware Workstation Pro 17. So all the guest isolation features like share clipboard and drag and drop features will be installed automatically. So now let us start AlmaLinux 8.7 installation. Yes, so installation screen started. English will be the default language. Next I am selecting destination location. Next server with GUI is the software selection. So basic install only I am going to do. Next time and date. Next I am providing the root password. And finally I am creating one user. So using this user only I will be logging to AlmaLinux 8.7. Okay, let us begin the installation. So everything is fine. So installation is completed. Let us reboot. Accept the license agreement. So you note down the point. AlmaLinux 8.7 is started in full screen. So without adjusting the screen is adjusted automatically. Okay, so which means that the guest isolation features are installed by default. No more manual work. So now I am logging. Wow. So I can able to view AlmaLinux 8.7 on VMware Workstation Pro 17 in full screen. Okay, let me open the terminal and type some commands. So now I am going to run this some commands. After running these commands, I am going to copy these commands output to Windows host machine to check whether shared clipboard feature is working or not. Okay. Okay. So now let me copy this, paste in Windows host machine. Okay. So I can copy paste the output from AlmaLinux 8.7 virtual machine to Windows host machine, which means shared clipboard feature is working. Let me try from Windows OS to AlmaLinux 8.7 virtual machine. Okay, copy, paste. That's it. Yes, so share clipboard feature is working from both the side. So AlmaLinux 8.7 installation on VMware Workstation Pro 17 is successful.